Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of new orders from Ecwid to the BulkSMS SMS service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, through the BulkSMS service, you can send SMS notifications to users who have placed an order for Ecwid. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get orders, new. Then you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see one of the Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select BulkSMS as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send SMS. At this stage, you need to connect your BulkSMS account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your personal account BulkSMS. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you see BulkSMS fields for sending SMS messages. In the Sender Alpha Name field, you need to enter the alpha name that you have registered in your BulkSMS account, or write one of the standard. In the recipient phone number field, you must specify a variable from Ecwid that contains the phone number. To assign a variable to a field, click on it and select the variable from the drop-down list. In the message field, you need to compose the text of the message that will be sent to users who have made an order for Ecwid. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also manually enter values. To go to the next line, use Enter. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent as an SMS message to users who have placed an order on Ecwid. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to BulkSMS. After successful sending, go to BulkSMS and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. This completes the BulkSMS data reception setup. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.